I recorded in the wrong format yesterday, all of my footage. Whoops. Silly me. So I'll be retaking and that is what you'll be seeing, but still got this cool t-shirt. Wow. First item, these purple. I'm gonna focus. You're not gonna focus. Corduroy pants. Pretty cool. You're not focusing. Tang t-shirt. Right there. Yeah. And then I mean these aren't terrible. We'll see. Do a little bit of a twirl or something.
Give us a spin. Woo, girl.
It's on my mind. Might do a little time. So we're just on the way at the moment to visit a couple of different op shops. I'm just here with Amber at the moment. Say hello.
Hello.
And what were you doing? Oh my god, dogs. And we're going to see who is going to have the best outfit, money-wise, if it looks good, and... Did I say 4?
I don't know.
I said 3 things, I don't know what they were.
Good price?
Good price, looks good.
Items maybe? Number of items?
And number of items for... Like, yeah. We've currently just been to $2 Clothing Warehouse. We're now on the way to Save Mart in New Brighton. And yeah, so if you're interested, come thrifting with us. Wow. Perfect.
Work it.
Give us a twirl. So now we are just off to Recycle Boutique to go look for some more items, and literally Recycle Boutique is one of the best places that I go to go buy any of like my Tommy Hilfiger t-shirts or literally any t-shirt there. And I'll show you around the store and what you can buy there, and yeah. Items that I am going to try on, and we will see how it goes. Also, I changed my shoes because the other ones are getting uncomfy. So this is the first outfit. Just have this Armani jeans t-shirts. These are Levi's, but I kind of overestimated my size, and I mean I feel like I'm a little bit the cat off looking like one of those boys who just... I'll insert a photo somewhere, and I feel like this is literally what I look like right now. So Armani brand. Excuse me, I'm gonna focus. Armani. Yeah, real nice. Very nice. Yeah, it looks real cool. Man, you got some good pants today.
This never happens. You must be my good luck.
So I actually forgot to mention that this t-shirt here is from Paper Bag Princess, which is a sister store of Recycle Boutique, so be sure to check those out as well. Hey guys, so it is the next day and I realised that I didn't actually finish this video, so I do apologise, but I'll just insert this in the end and hopefully it'll all flow. But I did just want to let you guys know that I do also shop online for a few things. I'll make it quick because I know the video is already kind of long. So I do shop on designer wardrobe as well, which I find is really good for sort of higher end products. So that's where I got this Calvin Klein jeans jersey from. It was around $50, but to be honest, for the condition that it's in, I think it's really good and it's super cool. And then I also do shop on Trade Me as well. So I got this Adidas jersey here, and around the top it just has little Adidas logos. And that one there was actually only $15 and pick up in Christchurch, so that made it easier. A little tip and trick I want to tell you is if you do shop on Trade Me or anything, basically actually if you even go to like thrift stores or anything, but mainly Trade Me, do be sure to check out the guys section of the jerseys, because guys just tend to not really care or just don't really know how much the items are worth. And so yeah, be sure to shop on there, and yeah, I'd be really interested to see what you guys get, and please let me know if this video helped you in any way, or if you liked it, or if you'd like to see some more, because I'd be really keen to do some more videos. Completely let me know if you want to come physically thrift shopping with me, because I'm always open to new friends and finding a bargain and all that jazz. So yeah, thanks for watching the video, and if you've made it this far, thank you so much for your support, and I hope to see you guys again. So thanks for coming to thrift with me, and I hope you enjoyed the videos. See you, lovelies.